Is this the ultimate mobile sauna? In this video, I test the portability, the heat, and whether it is worth your money. Stick around to find out whether you should invest in this BAST sauna. It's been a long, depressing winter in the UK, and I've been absolutely craving the sauna. So when BAST reached out, I was excited to try their portable sauna, which is also more cost-effective than the conventional sauna. BAST was born from a shared love of sauna, and after many cold winters in Sweden, childhood friends came together with one goal: to make sauna accessible for everyone. Now the beauty of this sauna is that you can take it mobile. So on a beautiful spring morning, bringing it out into a nice little bit of countryside to enjoy. And I've also got a friend, I know only one friend, but we're gonna pop the sauna up now, show you how easy it is to assemble and get in and enjoy a sweat on this beautiful spring morning here in the UK. Now, because I'll be using the sauna for the first time tomorrow, what I need to do is get this stove seasoned, get it up to temperature, burn off all the chemicals that are associated with manufacturing, and a little bit of assembly. So get the heat shields on the sides, get the chimney built, and then get it cooking for a couple of hours, get it up to temperature so it is ready for its initial sauna session. So far, all the tools I've needed have been included within the packaging. This is the main body of the stove, and from there you're gonna have to put on these handle sections, and then I'll be able to put the heat shield on from there. So this initial stage is a little bit of disassembly, reassembly, and then from there, get it cooking. Now, I'm not going to lie, doing these screws underneath is a little bit of a faff, but I have the anticipation of a nice warm sauna to get me through, so needs must. Wood wise, I'm a little bit naive to what I actually need, so I've got some kindling and some bigger blocks of kiln dry wood. That was about £4. Hopefully that will do the job. Wish me luck. Stick around to find out how this first burn goes, and then we're going to take it somewhere scenic to really enjoy it and explore its mobile capabilities. You join me there for my morning coffee. Not a bad view. I'm watching it like a child, like, is everything okay? It's making noises, it's creaking, it's smoking, so this is all learning for me. For the next couple of hours, gonna keep it nice and hot, and then I'm gonna take it somewhere a little bit more scenic to really show the capabilities of a mobile sauna. So let's catch up there. So this is the first time I'm actually popping this up, so bear with me. I do like this bag. Having a nice duffel bag makes things a lot easier to carry, transport. So that can be a top or a bottom. They look like feet. We're getting there. Who lives in a house like this? Room for a small one. Oh, yes! Finally got the sauna up to temperature. Whoa! Hey! Occupational hazard. Make sure your seating is it. Right, first thoughts of the sauna. It's actually getting up to temperature now, about 70 degrees. So it took, how long would you say? A couple of hours, 2 hours to get up to temperature. So now we've had a bit of time in here, getting warm. What are your initial thoughts, Jack, mate?
Surprisingly, well, I knew it was going to be good, but it feels really good. Like, it doesn't feel any different from, any of the other saunas that we go to. So the heat feels the same, it feels as good, but what the added bonus is you're connected to nature. Like, the floor is grass, so you kind of feel that you're outside, even though you're not, but you kind of got that connection to nature.
Like, it's getting windier outside, so having the tent takes out any of the harshness, but in here it's so still, and as Jack says, it's a beautiful point, having your feet in the grass as you're getting sweaty, temperature's bumping up now. So we're nearly 80 degrees just in the the minute or so that we've been recording, so you can get it really cooking. And it's this communal aspect. I think that we go to the same sauna, which is a community sauna, and it's fair to say that the people in that sauna don't treat it very well. There's people picking their toes, picking their nose, and there's always like rubbish. It's not clean very well. So the experience of like sharing this is really nice. I think that's really important for a sauna. It creates like this communal aspect, but also being able to be outside, be in nature, all the niceties of being in nature, and but still share it.
I think that's like the main point, right? Why we sauna, apart from the health benefits, is the social aspect to it. And so when you go to a public sauna, you're surrounded by people that sometimes you don't want to talk to, or are having conversations that you don't want to talk about. So it feels like that time when you come to a sauna to enjoy it, you can't fully enjoy it. It's like having a cup of coffee and having a neighbour shout over the fence. You know what I mean? So it's like having your own sauna where you can invite in your own community, your own friends into it, is the point, I think.
Yeah, it's giving you like a selective aspect. We can select where we pitch this, we can select who enters this, but it's still a lovely experience to share it. So BAST is a Swedish company, and I think a lot of people in Sweden have their own sauna at home. Like, for every household there is a sauna. So in the UK, having a sauna is a luxury, but the price point of this makes it a lot more accessible. So this one is the Neva Premium. So this is £2,000, and again, remember, use code in the description to save a bit of money. But this makes it a far more accessible product for us, and we're going to take it on the road this year, take it to wellness events, take it to the seaside, take it to lakes, so that we can enjoy this in different environments. And we're basically getting all the benefit of sauna, but we can then control a lot of the environment around that. Really looking forward to taking this on the road, sharing it with our community, and let me know where you sauna. Do you sauna at home? Do you go to a community gym? Or is this something that you would love to get into your lifestyle but currently don't have access? Because we want to bring this to you so you can experience it as well.
You don't realise how good a sauna can be, you know what I mean, until you're back in it again and realise it is so good when all you've got is heat and an enclosure to make it happen. And this kind of allows it, because anything else you'd have to have like a full structure, and you have to have it completely fitted in there, and it's a lot of work, a lot of money. Where this, in a couple of hours you can have something set up and ready to go.
In our personal lives, we've both taken a bit of time away from the sauna, but we've both craved it. We've not had access, or it's not been fitting into our lifestyle. So making the time to get out into nature, sharing the sauna, is actually a really pleasant, beautiful experience. So I don't wish to over romanticize this, but I've really enjoyed this morning out in nature, chopping wood, getting the fire going, and I'm actually really cooking now. We're about 90 degrees, so again, the temperature is going up all the time, and I'm really starting the sweat dripping off my nose tells us. So anyway, we're going to close off there, unless Jack's got any more thoughts, but we're going to sit, we're going to enjoy the sauna, we're going to get a little bit of steam, get some cold water on my feet, and on my head. Do you want a bit on your head?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Woo. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Thank you ever so much for watching. If you want to experience the power of the heat and the cleansing effect of a sauna, check out the code in the description. Grab yourself a discount and help support the channel. Love and peace.